Welcome to the DoubleACS Daily News for April 29th, 2016. A new biotech manufacturing plant has come to Norton. Alnylam Pharmaceuticals held a groundbreaking ceremony yesterday afternoon at their site on Commerce Way, officially beginning the construction phase of the project. A number of local and state dignitaries were at the event, including Governor Baker. Alnylam President Barry Greene spoke with us about the event.
Alnylam was founded in 2002 based on the belief that we could turn this breakthrough discovery in biology called RNA interference into a new platform of medicines. And we're standing here today in Norton really celebrating the groundbreaking of a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility that we're building, because we've been able, since 2002, to move many programs into the clinic. So today, we have 10 programs in the clinic. We're positioned to file our first regulatory authorization in 2017 and be commercial in 2018. So this facility is critical to making sure that we can make these important medicines that we plan for the patients who need them. We've been very fortunate to make this technology of RNA interference work. As I mentioned, we have 10 programs in the clinic, 2 in phase 3, and we're going to be starting 2 more phase 3s this year. Phase 3 is the step right before, if it works, that you get marketing authorization. So we're working in the genetic medicine field, things like orphan diseases, rare diseases, amyloidosis, hemophilia, PNH, for example. But we're also working on broader diseases, genetic metabolic diseases, cardiovascular metabolic diseases rather, things like hypercholesterolemia. And as I mentioned, we're also working in hepatitis B specifically. So we're able, with our technology, should we be successful going forward, to work on diseases where there are thousands of people, diseases where there's millions, and even diseases where there's tens of millions of people. And a facility like this is critical to supplying these medicines for these patients.
As you look around this industrial park, you have Horizon Beverage, you have, I believe it's Penske right down the street. These are companies that the selectmen and the town administrator are working with us and working with the Massachusetts government have been able to bring in to Norton. What this provides are jobs. It provides people coming into Norton using other facilities, whether it be restaurants or the donut shops or whatever the case is. It also brings revenue into the town, which helps to stabilize the tax rate in town. As much as the casinos bring jobs, these are high-end jobs. These are 100,000 per year jobs and maybe even greater. These are high-tech jobs bringing a brain pool into this area, which is important. You know, Rep. Barrows and I travel into Boston. We allow, at least I do, coming from Seekonk, I allow 2 hours to get into the office. So if I have an 11 o'clock appointment, I'll be leaving at 9 o'clock with the hopes of getting there on time. This will be a reverse commute. If someone lives in Cambridge or Boston or someplace out in that area, they'll be coming opposite direction. Hopefully, a number of Norton and area workers will be coming from a local area, but if we have to bring people in, that's an advantage because they're going opposite the commute to come to Norton.
We did about a year-long global search of sites literally all over the world, almost every state in the United States. And we did want to be close, but we also wanted to pick the best site. And this site in Norton, it was the best combination of being close to our headquarters, the talent pool of Massachusetts, but working with local Norton representatives who are incredibly good to work with and wanted to bring manufacturing to the site, and the state of Massachusetts, Charlie Baker's administration and others. So the combination of talent, Massachusetts ecosystem, site, Norton, really had us pick this site as our first major manufacturing facility. And it's critically important for us to make this work. We plan on having the Norton site operational in 2018. We're going to employ over 150 jobs in this site, in this area. And we believe that the 150 jobs that we're going to create are Alnylam jobs, but that kind of ecosystem will create other ancillary jobs as well, really bring a rich talent pool to this area.
Well, I just think this is a marvelous day here to have the governor come down, many members of his administration. It just shows you how important and what the Polito-Baker administration is doing to keep business within Massachusetts, keeping Massachusetts at the cutting edge of high tech around the country and around the world.
That's it for today's update. For DoubleACS News, I'm Austin Ricketts.